Grandpa, can you stop putting emoji stickers all over your face?
No.
Why not?
Because it feels good and fun.
Well, you know what, Grandpa? I'm feeling this emoji right now. Very, very mad. You wanna know why?
Why?
Because you're invading my personal space and annoying me.
Oh.
Why don't you go watch TV or something, Grandpa?
Fine, I guess I'll watch TV then.
Hey there, do you like shooting people? Do you like harassing your friends and family? Well then, boy, do I have the product for you. Nerf guns! The funny part is, you can't get arrested for shooting people, unless if you somehow kill them. Also, did you know if you get these really expensive ones, they sting a lot? So if you shoot someone in the balls, they'll cry and whimper like a little girl. So, call now and, oh my wife was right, I'm such a loser. Just buy our products so I can get paid.
I want that! I want it! Give me half it! Please, Bear! I need the Nerf guns! I need it.
Why do you need it, Grandpa?
Because I want to shoot you in the balls and make you cry like a little girl. Bear!
I don't want that to happen, so how about you just go in the closet and use the ones we have?
But those aren't the expensive ones! I want the expensive ones that are really cool!
What do you mean they weren't expensive? They were at least $1.25.
My God, you're a cheap bozo that likes poop! Ah! I don't know what he was talking. Oh my God, he's got an artillery. Oh, I'm gonna need me some of these. Oh God, what does that smell? Oh, I better go in. What? I missed! Yeah, you did! Oh my God, look at that stupid cat. Oh, I'm gonna blast him with my Nerf gun. What? Oh God!
No, kitty cat, they're not clips, they're mags.
He's distracted.
I have a hairy pizza for Stu.
I don't think you'll be delivering that.
Good thing I picked a gun instead of pizza. I'm dying. Pizza? Hey, Grandpa.
What's wrong? Why'd you get so fat?
I'm not fat, it's muscle. Unlucky for you, Grandpa. I have just achieved Super Saiyan. Help me. Have you had enough, Grandpa?
Yeah.
Okay then, don't forget to tip.
Carlos would never expect me to kill him. I ended up and...
Dang it, Grandpa, why do you keep killing me off in these videos?
It's a Nerf gun. It's not gonna kill you. You just gotta pretend you're dead.
Oh, well that fixes everything, doesn't it, Grandpa? Go on, get out of here.
Fine.
Ow! Yeah, stupid plastic knife.
What?
Are you the one that ordered the 30-pound hamburger?
That is correct.
We're gonna have to take out a wall.
Oh, Grandpa! Why'd you shoot LaTwanda?
Because I didn't like her.
But, Grandpa, at least I don't have to pay now, but still, you should have done that, Grandpa. And what, have you been shooting everyone today?
Yeah.
Help me.
Grandpa,
Yeah.
you have a lot to answer for. Come on, you're going to time out.
Fine.